Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Scorpio class. So here we are with one more informative and important video for all my class 10 students. So here we are going to discuss Karnataka State Board's class 10 first language English chapter, The Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise. So this video is going to give you a quick summary of the entire chapter and make it easy for you all to prepare for your examination. So let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the upcoming videos. So let's get started. The chapter here is written by Rabindranath Tagore. And the story begins with a man who believed never in working hard. He spent his life doing things like painting, sketching, and flying kites, activities with no useful purpose. So, a man who did not believe in any hard work but just spent his time doing things like painting, sketching, and flying kites without any useful purpose. After his death, due to a heavenly error, he is sent to workers' paradise, a place where everyone believes in hard work and utility. Here, people never waste a second and are always busy. So, after the death of this man, he is sent to a heaven, and it was by mistake. He was sent to a workers' paradise because it was a mistake by one of the angels. And there, in this paradise, everyone believes in hard work and utility. And nobody wasted even a second and were always busy in their work. In workers' paradise, there is no room for art, leisure, or imagination. Everything and everyone is focused on productivity and usefulness. The wrong man behaves differently. He paints, draws, and plays with colors. His idle activities confuse and attract attention. So, as said earlier, there was no room for art and leisure, that is, free time or imagination. Everyone here was busy in doing some or the other productivity works. But this man, he behaved differently. He just painted, drew, and played with colors, and his idle activities started confusing people and also attracted their attention towards him. So, a hard-working girl from Workers' Paradise notices him. She becomes curious and starts talking to him, eventually skipping her work to watch him. So, a girl who notices him and she has also given one of her pictures to the man to draw and paint on it. She becomes curious about the art he has done on the picture, on the pot, and then starts talking to him. And eventually, she starts skipping her work. Gradually, the girl gets interested in art and starts changing her routine. Other workers too begin questioning the meaning of endless labor. So this means there was a great impact of this person on all the members and all the people there. They started questioning their hard work. And thus, the authorities noticed this disturbance in their perfect system. They fear his influence and believe he is disrupting their culture of discipline and work. So the elderly people there, they started noticing the disturbances in the perfect system. They started fearing that his influence and that his influence has disrupting the culture of discipline and the hard work which was there in the paradise. Thus, the story ends with the wrong man leaving the paradise. Forcibly, he was asked to leave the paradise, but his presence leaves a mark, showing that leisure, creativity, and imagination are also valuable and not just work. So the chapter ends with the wrong man living the worker's paradise as he was forcibly asked to do that by all the elderly people in the paradise. So, with this, we come to an end with the chapter The Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise. I hope the summary is clear and the video was helpful for you all. If our videos are helping you study better, please support us by clicking the thanks button below. And do subscribe and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.